Standard stretch wrapper machine. Digital rotation setting. Three-phase power supply. Easy stretch film roll fitting. Adjustable carton guide. Start by foot switch. Manual height adjustment. Up and down elevator. Film tightness assembly. Benefits of standard stretch wrapper Monarch machine: protection from dust, moisture, and foreign particle. Gives stability to the pack. Scratch resistant. Handling becomes easy and fast. Economical mode of packing. Prevent telescoping of rolls, saving packaging labor and time. Attractive packing for printed boxes. Better identification of wrapped products. Low maintenance cost. Monarch Appliances Pvt Ltd. Planet of Packaging Machinery. Contact us for more details.